You color my life. You break the
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. For today's video, we are going to be talking about one and done eyeshadows. Now, I love one and done eyeshadows. The basic concept behind that is that you take one eyeshadow and you apply it all over your lid, just buff it into the crease and you have an eye look ready. I love how effortless it is and how chic it looks. I will be discussing today the colors that are more everyday appropriate. Now, I do one and done eyeshadows for all colors, purples, blues, greens, everything. But for today's video, we are going to be using the color palettes of peaches, champagnes, bronzes. You get what I'm saying, right? So yes, without any further ado, if you want to know some of my favorite formulations and colors for a one and done eyeshadow look, then please keep on watching. Starting off, I have MAC's cream color base in the shade Shell. I love how gorgeous this color is. It's a very pale pink shade with sort of champagnes in there, and it looks beautiful in the eyes. It is a cream color, so it will crease up after 3 or 4 hours, but I love how glossy and beautiful my lids look after applying this. I would highly recommend you checking this out. If this is not a shade that particularly suits your skin tone, they do have a lot of shades in this range, and you will find one that would suit your complexion. Then I want to talk about Henna Henna's Gel Bell, which I have talked about previously too. Now these are a hybrid of a gel and an eyeshadow, and it's such a beautiful formulation. Glides out on the eye. This does not have any glitter particles. It's just a beautiful metallic shade on the eyes. The first shade I want to talk about is Lace, which is a dull golden and looks so gorgeous all over the eyelids. You can also use this as a highlighter and it would make you look like, glowing from within. The second shade I have with me is Irish, which is more bronze and is suited more for deeper skin tones too. Again, this all over the eyelids just screams sexy to me. It's just such a beautiful shade. I really love this one. I don't know why I've never talked about this product, because I do really like this product. I'm talking about Kay Beauty's eyeshadow sticks. I especially love their mattes more than I love their metallics, because they're just so soft, smooth, creamy, and once they're set, they're set. Alright, so I have the shade Glory, which is a matte brown. It's a cool toned matte brown, and again it looks so beautiful on the eyelid. It just makes your eyes look very stunning, sexy, sooty of sorts, and again it's a great everyday color. Then I also have the shade Blushed Moonlight with me, which is more metallic and it's like a copper mixed with a little bit of red undertones in there. Great color for everyday wear. You can also wear this to a function or to a party because you can easily dress it up. Another one and done eyeshadow stick that I really like is by Shimbor. This is their Orosa range, and this is in the shade Honey Gold. It is a beautiful brown with flecks of golden in there. So this does have glitter in there. If you are someone who likes glitter, then you would love it because it's not supremely detectable and it actually increases once you rub it against one another. So once you apply it like that, you would feel like there is no glitter, it's just a metallic shade. But once you start blending it out, the glitter start coming up, which is such a therapeutic feeling, honestly. So yeah, if you are into glitter but you still want to keep it a little, down low, then definitely check these out. Next up on my list, I have the Huda Beauty Melted Matte and Metal eyeshadows. Now these are dual-ended liquid eyeshadows that just set down to be budge-proof, foolproof, smudge-proof, everything-proof. Now they have a huge variety of colors, and I do have to say that I love the mattes more than I love the metals, because the metals can crack a little bit, especially if you layer it up too much, but the mattes are buttery, soft deliciousness, and I love how they look on the eyes. Now, as I said, they have a huge variety of colors, but two of my personal favorites for everyday are here with me. So let's start off with Cinnamon Toast and Hella Money. Now, Cinnamon Toast is a beautiful mauvey brownie color which would suit so many different skin tones. It's such a unique color because it's not a warm brown. It has a little bit of mauve in there, so it just makes it almost dusty rose brown color. I love how it looks. And then Hella Money is sort of an accompaniment metal to it. So again, it has hints of mauves, browns, and has a lot of golden shift in there too. The other variant that I love in this range is Room Service and Do Not Disturb. Now Room Service is a very warm orangey coral color which again would look so gorgeous against so many different skin tones, and once blended out it just looks like you have sunset going on your eyes. And Do Not Disturb again is the accompaniment metal color to it. So it has those warm, gorgeous, orangey, peachy undertones to it. Moving on, I want to talk about these Lotus Gel eyeshadows. I did talk about them in one of my top 5 under 500 because these are just pure gorgeousness and they are in a budget friendly option too. Basically, again, these are like gel eyeshadows, so they're set down and they're budge proof and smudge proof all throughout the day. I'm going to start off by talking about Spice, which is like a red bronze color. It's such a beautiful color, especially against dusky skin tones. This would look so stunning, so sexy. This is going to be a great color even if you're looking at wedding functions and everything, because because of the beautiful reds and coppers in there. The next color I want to talk about is Stone, which is like a taupey grayish sort of a color. Now this is great for night outs, or even if you want to do like a daytime smoky eye. This is going to be such a beautiful color because it's not as intimidating as a black, but it still has that depth and that sexiness and that sootiness to it. So both of these I highly recommend if you are looking for a one and done eyeshadow on a budget. I quickly want to talk about my MAC Extra Dimension eyeshadow in the shade Stylishly Merry. Now this is an eyelid topper, so it has shifts of rose gold in there, some bronzes in there. It's such a beautiful color. It's great for people who like their eyes to be really subtle but still want to make a statement. You can also use this to top up any other eye look, and it would just transform an eye look altogether because this is a topper sort of a shade. It's not fully pigmented in itself because it is a topper sort of a shade. Love this shade so much. It has the power to transform any look, and if you don't want to transform any look and you want to go for a subtle sort of a look, again this would come to your rescue. Then we have Color Essence Ultra Graphic Eyeshadow, which is basically a sort of dupe for the ColourPop eyeshadows. This is in the shade 11, which is a beautiful brown color. It's a deep chocolatey brown color which looks so beautiful as smudged out brown smoky eye of sorts. I have a full review on this complete range with all swatches of the color, so I would leave a link for you guys in the bottom bar, but overall highly recommend. Then I have this Bobbi Brown Rich Gemstone eyeshadow in the shade Opal Moonstone. Again, it's more like a topper shade, but it's slightly more pigmented than MAC, so you can definitely build it up way more than you can build up the MAC eyeshadow. Because it's sort of like a topper shade, it has the ability to transform any other look that you might want to be wearing and want to transform. This has shifts of pinks, golds, bronzes, and all of those beautiful tones that we all love. I of course have to mention my Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadows because they're one of the most budget friendly eyeshadows out there. I do have a complete review on this range with all of the swatches, so I will leave a link for you guys in the bottom bar again. Now this is in the shade Champagne, which is pretty self-explanatory. This color is like a dull gold with hints of glitter in there, which again, if you are a glitter person, you are gonna love. When you buff it out, it doesn't have any fallout or anything, so it's perfect for people who want to play with glitter but are really afraid of the fallout and don't know how to deal with that. Now, of course, I have to finish with the OG, the one that started it all, Stila's Magnificent Metals. Now, they come in a variety of different finishes like mattes, sheens, metals, and glitters. This particular one is a glitter finish. It is in the shade Smoky Storm, and oh my god, the amount of oomph this brings to your eyes, the amount of sexiness it brings to the eyes. I love this shade so much. I've talked about this particular variant so many times and I highly recommend it. Yes, there are going to be dupes out there. Yes, people are going to make some formulations, but this remains unbeaten. This is like, this is a dream, okay? If you love liquid eyeshadows and you don't know which range to go for, this is the range to go for if you can splurge that amount of money. But yes, with that we finish with my personal favorite one and done eyeshadows for everyday use. Do let me know if you would like to see a one and done eyeshadow with, you know, crazy colors or crazy finishes or crazy anything. I would love to do that sort of a video too for you guys. But yes, that's gonna be it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, then don't forget to comment and subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, take care. I love you all so much. Mwah. Bye.